guys, welcome back to LANAP. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to use Atome virtual card. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, if you have like an Atome virtual card here and you're wondering how do you exactly use it? Well, the thing with Atome virtual card here, it works like any other card you have here. The great thing about Atome card here is they are, or in this case, the card itself is a MasterCard. So most stores or most establishments actually accept MasterCards, which in this case, again, from the what I just recently told you, is you can use this anywhere, maybe on a store, or in this case online stores. Now just to give you an example, you can actually use this on Amazon. So we all know that Amazon has a way for you to add your cards. So typically you just need to go ahead and choose a product here. Just an example, maybe I want to add or buy a specific product, so we can choose this one. Let's go ahead and click on the option here to buy it. So in this case, let's go and search for the buy button here. So if you don't see it, let's go and choose another one. So let's go ahead and click on the buy now option, and from here on you just need to log in into your account. Now in the payment method section here, you just click on add a credit or debit card here, and from here on you just need to enter the card number, the name on your card, as well as the security code or the CVV or CVC at the back, usually located at the back of your card, which in this case those details will be provided on your Atome virtual card. Now, in this case, again, like what I said before, it works like any other card out there. So since MasterCard is supported here on Amazon, you won't have any problems on it. Just click on add your card here, proceed with the payment, and you should be good. Now, another platform that you might be able to use this one is going to be Lazada. So in Lazada, you'll have the option to use a card, especially for MasterCards. They accept that, so you won't have to worry about it. So you could just proceed with the payment here and start using it and start paying for it. Now, if you want to use this, like for example, in other establishments like a grocery or any other payments in your area, you could again use that. So it's like any other card out there. You just need to provide your card and they'll be able to do the transaction itself. So they just need to use it on their terminal in order for you to proceed with the payment. Now, the only thing that you need to consider here is if, like for example, you got a card on the Philippines, you might have some problems on using it in another country. So if you do encounter problems on it on another country, if you try using it in another country, make sure to reach out to their support so that they can guide you in unblocking your card and usage in another country. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANAP. Thank you for watching.